Adding value to your home should be the goal of any improvement project. Despite not being the first consideration, it should be among the top 5 when it comes to investments. Encapsulating the crawl space with a crawlspace Ninja encapsulation solution reduces the amount of humidity in the space, which reduces mold growth and pest infestations. Additionally, it decreases energy costs, prevents wood rot, and improves indoor air quality. Homeowners benefit from these features as well as potential buyers. Additionally, the improvements may qualify for an energy efficiency tax credit. It might even qualify as a deduction for your home improvements in general. Check with your tax advisor for more information. Foundation leaks and seeping can be dealt with by crawlspace encapsulation. The material acts as a type of insulation on the foundation walls. It allows for humidity regulation, which is essential for maintaining a healthy, dry environment. The encapsulation of crawlspaces improves the indoor air quality directly, since it inhibits mold growth. Mold can seriously aggravate respiratory issues. You may experience sneezing, running nose, cough, red eyes, and skin rashes. The CDC warns that mold can trigger asthma attacks for people with asthma, as well as causing sinus infections. Prolonged exposure to mold spores also causes allergies in many people. As a result of the continuous vapor barrier, radon concentrations in the air are reduced. Crawl spaces can be encapsulated to provide a healthy home environment. Moreover, they can serve as selling or buying points. Keeping the home healthy and structurally sound is essential. However, you can see and feel another immediate benefit following crawl space encapsulation: reduced energy costs. Energy-efficient homes are becoming increasingly popular. Energy bills increase when HVAC systems use more energy. With an encapsulated crawl space and possibly a ventilation device or dehumidifier, the problem is proactively managed. For a free inspection of your crawl space, make sure to contact Crawlspace Ninja online at crawlspaceninja.com or call us. Crawlspace Ninja, enhancing the quality of your life by improving your indoor air quality.